Hey everyone, if you want to create a FlowGPT account in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to sign up and start using FlowGPT. First, FlowGPT is an AI platform that allows users to discover prompts, interact with AI tools, and explore content created by the community. Start by opening your browser and going to the official FlowGPT website. Now click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. You can create your account using Google, Discord, or an email address, depending on the available options. Provide the required information and complete the registration process. Some sign-up methods may require email verification before you can access all features. After creating your account, sign in to access the platform. You can personalize your profile and adjust settings to match your preferences. Now you're ready to browse prompts, interact with AI models, and explore the FlowGPT community. For the best experience, keep your account secure and explore trending prompts to discover useful ideas. A common mistake is forgetting to verify your account, which may limit access to certain features. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a FlowGPT account in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.